Engineers are assembling a plexiglass spherical structure, the core of the detector, for China's next-generation neutrino detector, the Jiangmen Underground Neutrino Observatory. With a wall thickness of 120 mm and a weight of more than 600 tons, the plexiglass spherical structure is the largest single plexiglass structure in the world, its production and construction both unprecedented. Upon completion, it will be filled with 20,000 tons of liquid scintillator, the target substance for capturing neutrinos. In order to ensure the accuracy of the detector's data analysis, the size and position of each board and each layer of board need to be strictly controlled during the assembling process. The 35.4-meter-tall plexiglass spherical structure is being assembled in the middle of the main structure, a spherical stainless steel grid, which had been completed in June to support the plexiglass spherical structure being assembled. The main structure will be covered by 20,000 20-inch light-detecting photomultiplier tubes along with many other components. The whole structure is constructed at the center of a 44-meter-deep water pool in a huge cave in Jiangmen City, South China's Guangdong province. The 2 billion yuan, about $305.3 million, instrument is expected to be completed and put into use in 2023. It aims to detect and measure neutrinos quality order with unprecedented precision and energy resolution, hoping to uncover more insights on their mass.